Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oh my god, everyone's look so tired. Gimana kabarnya adik?
Good. Actually, that's sleeping.
Oh, sleeping. Oke, so jadi mau nggak mau tetap semangat ya. Habis ini kita ada kegiatan yang menarik, oke? Jadi hari ini kita akan belajar seperti biasa seperti minggu lalu dengan materi baru. Cuman sebelum itu siapa ketua kelasnya? Nata, silakan pimpin temannya berdoa dulu sebelum mulai kelas ya. Semoga kelas kita hari ini berkah. Oke? Oke, silakan.
Oke, baik teman-teman, sebelum kita mulai belajar pada hari ini, lebih baiknya kita berdoa dulu. Berdoa mulai.
Oke, thank you so much. So, who's also today? Can you tell me? Gustafio silakan ya.
Yes.
Okay. Well, before we start, I know you're so tired today, so we have a little ice breaking. Now, please move your body, okay? Okay, come on. Okay, do the moves. Legs, where is your legs?
Left and right.
Arms, where is your arms? Come on. Spin your head. Please, everyone, please. Shoulder. Yeah, like chicken, come on. Up, down, up. Shake, everybody. Thank you so much. One more. Now, are you excited to learn today?
Yes.
Fresh? Okay, good. So, I'll show you a picture. So, it's gonna direct to our material.
Okay, sure.
But, do you know who is this? You know, when I asked Erika and Elma,
Yeah.
who's in the picture?
He's our husband.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Do you like him?
Yeah, I love him so much.
Why do you like him?
He's handsome
Handsome and then what?
and white skin.
White skin and
You got many person.
oh yeah. Okay, good job. Oh. So can you guess what is our material today?
Describe people.
Describe people then?
Guess Messi.
No. Any other? No? Describe people.
Describe Messi. Yes, someone.
Basic, okay. Now we're gonna learn about presenting every person.
Yeah.
So, my beloved student, at the end of the lesson, I expect you to the first able to mention information about a favorite person, like maybe the name, who is it, occupation, etc. So they're able to describe their favorite person physically and also personality.
Yeah.
And then students are able to explain the reason why they admire their favorite person. And last but not least, students are able to present their favorite person in a short oral presentation confidently in front of the class. So you know what you're going to do. At the end of the class, maybe some of you will come forward and presenting your favorite person.
Yeah.
So I have a video in here. I need you to pay attention and maybe you can write the information you got. And I ask you. This is the example of your of the presenting favorite person. Come on, pay attention.
My name is Nancy. I'm 7 years old. I would like to talk about a very person. He is handsome. He is a strong lady. He is strong and kind. She has flower hair, long dress, 2 blue shoes. Olaf is the best friend. Olaf is cute because he has big teeth. Take a bus friend.
Okay, give a plus. Should I repeat? Is it correct? Okay. So what did you get? First, I want to ask, who is talking in this video? No. Okay. What do you? Can you guess maybe her age? So who's being described at the video? And yes, who else? Selain Elsa, siapa lagi? Ola. Who is Ola?
Yeah, Elsa's best friend.
Okay. Is he cute?
She look.
Good job. Good job. So you already pay attention to our to the video.
Yes, sir.
So I hope that you can see the example and you can try to make it at the end of the class. Yes. So before going to the next, I will tell you like some options. Yes. Here to express or to tell someone about the appearance and personality. So this vocabulary will very beneficial for you. So I would like each of you try to pronounce the sentence. Like you, the first sentence, the second sentence.
Yes,
etc.
sir.
Okay, so from you, the appearance first.
She has black hair.
Next.
She has blue eyes. She is tall.
She has a handsome face.
He is chubby.
Yeah, you may.
She's chubby.
Chubby. What is chubby?
Have a
Oh,
chubby.
okay, yeah, that's right. What we already understand about the appearance. Appearance is the way you see someone, like
Yes.
how the body, how he describe everything.
The visual.
Is that
Yeah, the visual. Yeah, you can add like his 170 blah blah blah, etc. So the second one is personality. It is seeing if you know the person, like seeing what they act, what they do to others, etc. So I would like from you to read this. The personality.
He is smart. Smart.
Next.
He is humble.
She is friendly.
Yes.
He is charismatic.
Yeah.
She is talented.
And then.
He is very calm.
Then. So you already pronounced it good. Oh, I didn't expect that. You're a great student. Thank you, sir. So next, I would like to tell you how to introduce your favorite person and also how to express the reason.
Yes.
I'll give you example. Okay. My favorite person is my sister. Why I like her? Because she is pretty, so kind to me, and she's my role model. Because she always been good to my parents. She gives me money, and then she is kind to everyone. That's all for my presentation about my sister. My favorite person. Like that. You got it?
Got it.
Good job. So now, can I test one of you? Like pizza, maybe pizza.
My favorite person is of course my boyfriend.
Oh.
Yeah, because
Why? Okay.
I love him because he's really care of me.
Okay, I love him. Okay, Eleanor, can you tell us which expression that pizza used last time?
I don't know, sir.
Okay, so you need to pay attention more, yeah?
I'm sorry.
So, she used? Yeah. You just repeat after me. My favorite person is? I like to tell you about? Let me introduce my favorite person. Today, I want to talk about my favorite person. How to express it? I like him because. I love him because. I look up to him because. Okay, that's good. That's very nice. That's how you pronounce it. Okay, now you can see the example. Yeah, good morning everyone. Today I would like to tell you about my favorite person. My favorite person is my mother. Please continue to read this. Like from she is. Come on, read it out.
She is 42 years old and she is a teacher. She has long black hair and brown eyes. She is a medium hair.
Okay, next. I would like to Anjas. You can try. My mother is kind. Start from that.
My mother is kind, caring, hardworking, and
Patient.
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 She
Okay.
always helps me.
Helps me.
Yes. When I have problems and support me in everything I do.
Okay, last but not least, Elma, you can try.
I like her because she always takes care of our family and
Family. You can say family. And
and encourage me to study hard. She is also a great role model for me.
last but not least, Erica.
I'm
very proud of my mother and she is my favorite person. Thank you for listening.
Okay, give excellent. Your pronunciation is very great. So now our activity we have a group. Oh, do you have?
May I go to the bedroom?
Oh yes, you may go to the bedroom. Thank you, thank you. Okay. Now we have a group discussion. Now I'll divide you into two groups. Come on, Alina, you can come to this as a joint, and you become a one group. Yes, you have to make like a script or presenting correct person based on whatever you want, whoever you want to describe. So for a group, maybe you want to describe maybe someone like president or actress, something like that. So I give you 5 minutes to work on your groups and decide what who will you describe. Okay, come on.
Thank you, sir. So we will.
Is that okay? What did you choose?
I just this from my
Oh, that's great. Jisoo, how do you got Jisoo?
This is beautiful.
Yeah. Can you describe more like?
He's talented, is hardworking, and friendly.
So, I want to go to just one. Jisoo.
Here is Jisoo.
Okay, continue to walk. Another maybe those like one again.
We will to discuss about Macy, sir.
No. How you guys decided to So we could continue. If you have a question, just ask me. Okay? Okay, good. Well, that is that. Okay, group, thank you so much. Now, I would like you to stand up and one of you will read your result. Okay.
Hello everyone.
Afternoon.
Today I want to talk about my favorite person. My favorite person is Cristiano Ronaldo.
Oh, wow. Meet, come on.
Okay, he is a famous football player from Portugal, of course, and he is tall and athletic. He has short black hair and brown eyes. He is hardworking, confident, disciplined, and talented. He practices regularly and never gives up. I admire him because he works hard to achieve his goals and inspires many people around the world. That's all about my favorite person. Thank you.
Okay, give applause. Okay, well, this group, what do you get from the presentation before?
Ronaldo is a hardworking person.
Okay, how about the appearance?
The appearance, she has black hair,
Oh,
brown
yeah.
eyes, white skin.
Oh, do you agree with that?
Yeah.
Okay, is it same how you describe your favorite person in the group?
No.
It's different.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's good.
Yeah.
So you improve, you use your own word. So good, applause. Okay, last but not least, last. So maybe I will choose random person to come forward and tell about their favorite person very spontaneously. Okay, Pizza, maybe you can come forward.
Thank you.
Pay attention to your friend. This is the
Afternoon, everyone. Afternoon. So today I want to talk about my favorite person. So my favorite person is Jisoo from Blackpink.
Oh.
She is famous K-pop idol and actress from South Korea, and she is beautiful and talented, and she has long black hair and brown eyes, and she is of medium height, and she is kind, hardworking, confident, and friendly, and also she has always worked hard to improve her skills and entertains her fans. And I admire her because she inspires me to be confident and never give up on my dreams. She is also very caring towards her members and fans. That's all about my favorite person. Thank you for listening.
Okay, go. Thank you, Mr. It's very excellent. Now you can make your own favorite person. Yeah. So, okay. What did you learn today? Physically and okay, good. So, like what you read on the phone during your time. Thank you, sir. So I hope the learning objective already achieved by all of you guys, yeah? So please don't forget this material because it's maybe important maybe the next day. So maybe that's all for today's class, okay? Hope you enjoy our today's activity. And let's say Alhamdulillah together. See you next time to